morning.
Good morning. Here we are. Perfect day at CoCo Cay.
And it's going to be a perfect day at CoCo Cay.
It looks like it. The weather's great.
Weather's great.
My great friends. We're going to have a good time.
It's not even windy here today either. So.
Which I'm glad, because I don't want to be cold. Because the water might be a little cool, so I want to get in it. But I don't want to freeze.
If it's under 90, we don't like it. All right, but we'll manage. All right, so not sure whether we're going to go to the lagoon. We're definitely not going to Hideaway Beach.
I wish we were, but
we
we're
wish
not.
we were. But
it's a fun place.
Yeah.
But we're going to walk around and see where we pick out a good launch here to sit our butts in.
My odds are, and I didn't do good in the casino, that we're going to end up at Chill Island. That's what we're going to do.
Chill Island?
Beach. Chill Beach.
Chill Beach.
All right.
We'll see.
See you.
Bye.
Hi, for one time, man.
Oh, there's that arm you were talking about, that big green thing.
Yeah, it's up.
Yeah, and it rotates out over the ship. See that big green thing? You get up in there.
The green thing or the yellow?
All right, I get it. It's November 18th, and it's about 84 degrees right here. Awesome. 84 degrees, but the water is still cold. I'd love to do it, but it's kind of expensive. All right, so we've elected to stay at the lagoon. And there goes Terry, gonna go feel the water. Watch your face. Here we go. I told you it's cold. So what do you think? Oh, okay. All right, so you shouldn't mention that name here. It's just royal.
I'm just comparing.
All right. This late and this many people, they got like 30 minutes to be back on board. We have an hour. has been playing that machine for about an hour and keeps getting bonus after bonus after bonus. I put $200 through it last night and couldn't get nothing. Sweet. Say it again so I can hear it. What am I?
Ladies and gentlemen, enjoy.
Thank you.
Oh, that's so
She brings us that every night.
What's that bread? No, I like that.
All right, Terry got the wedge salad and French onion soup again.
Wow.
Wow. And I got nothing. And I got French onion soup and escargot. Yummy, yummy. Terry got the beef. Very good. I did not order this, but Michael insisted. That's the seafood linguine. And then, whoops, I already ate half of it. Salmon. It's really good. Now that woman over there said hers is overcooked. Mine's not.
You want something else, Ty?
I'm just full.
And then she's just full.
Another one. Another one. Another one. 1, 2, 3.
Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday to you.
You.
Happy birthday, dear Lisa. Happy birthday to
And I got apple cobbler, ice cream. Terry got nothing.
Diane
Poor
got
thing.
Yeah.
And then Diane got sugar in a bowl,
Sugar in the bowl.
cream brulee, and she got birthday cake. All right, babe, where are we going?
We're not going. We're already here. Name that tune.
Know
baby.
that tune.
We're here really early to get good seeds, so we got about 30 minutes to wait. But it's
All
gonna
right,
be
we're not
good.
going to bring you much of it because we did it in the last video, but it is funny. All right, see ya.
Bye bye.
The sign-ups are now open and we're looking for 8 contestants. If you want to be part of the show, please come on down to sign
You
up.
take the card from all.
This is a friendly reminder.
Featuring our singers, our dancers, our DJ Victor and our show band. And now it's time to meet and greet our 8 contestants. Forrest, Monica, Phil, Scott, Stephanie, Tanaya, Raphael and Remy. And this is number 1.
On the hand, baby, eye contact over the diamonds of a girl's best friend. I kiss her.
Hi, good evening. It's that time.
We just came from.
Name that tune that you saw.
Really fun. We loved it.
You're
We
welcome.
laughed. It was so funny. And it was a good show.
We were going to go to Quest, but we went,
Yeah, we're tired.
So we're watching everybody win in here, except us. They hit for 26,000, one girl. They came back on the same machine and won 10 more grand. and then someone just hit for 2,800. Same machine.
It's crazy that many times. Everybody's winning but us. But anyway, we're gonna have our.
We're winners.
We're winners, but not tonight on the casino. But we're
Right.
gonna have our chocolate martinis. So again, yes, we are winners.
There you go. All right. All right. But then she ain't played at all. All right. Tomorrow's sea day. Put up and down the coast of Florida. See you in the morning. Good night.